We met at a college noted for knowledge, in a city noted for progress, in a state noted for strength, and we stand in need of all three. For we meet in an hour of change and challenge, in a decade of hope and fear, in an age of both knowledge and ignorance. Despite the fact that most of the scientists the world has ever known are alive and working today, the vast unknown far outstrips our collective comprehension. No man can fully grasp how far and how fast we have come, but condense 50,000 years of man's recorded history into 50 years. In these terms, we know very little about the first 40 years. 10 years ago, man emerged from caves. 5 years ago, man learned to write. Christianity began less than 2 years ago. The printing press came this year, and less than 2 months ago, the steam engine provided new power. Last month, electric lights, telephones, automobiles, and airplanes became available. Only last week, we developed penicilla, TV, and nuclear power. And now, if America succeeds in reaching Venus, we will have literally reached the stars before midnight. Space exploration is the greatest adventure of all time, and this generation does not intend to founder in the backwash of space. We mean to lead it. We will not see space filled with weapons, but with instruments of knowledge and understanding. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon this decade. Not because it is easy, but because it's hard. Because that goal will measure our skills. Because that challenge is one to accept. One we are willing to postpone. One which we intend to win. We are behind and will be behind for some time, but we don't intend to stay behind. We shall move ahead. If we are to do all this and do it right and do it first, then we must be bold. Space is there. The moon and the planets are there. New hopes for knowledge and peace are there. Therefore, as we set sail, we ask God bless the most dangerous and greatest adventure man has ever embarked.